Hello guys, welcome back to Prime Side and thank you for joining me on this video on how I made my aloe vera honey black soap. For this recipe, I'll be needing the original Ghana black soap. Comes in different sizes. I'll just have this and weigh out the quantity that I want to use for this recipe. I'll leave the list of the ingredients I used in this recipe and also the measurements on the screen before the end of this video, so you just keep watching. After having my black soap shredded like this, I'm going to be introducing my white ball soaps. These balls helps the soap to foam better, and also it helps to cleanse the skin and helps to smoothen the skin. And one ball weighing about 30 grams is enough for this recipe. I'll just go ahead and shred them into my bowl containing my soap base. After this, I'm going to be adding my honey. Make sure that your honey is originally sourced. Honey here helps to moisturize the skin and helps the soap not to dry out the skin. It serves as a humectant and you can use glycerin instead of honey. Honey is also mild on the skin and it helps to combat some kind of topical skin infections that might be on the skin, especially on baby skin. And then after this, I'm going to go ahead to add another surfactant. This time I'm adding cocoa betaine liquid, and this will help black soap to lather very well. Remember, if your black soap doesn't lather, it will not last long and thereby you've wasted money. So I'm adding lots of surfactant here to help it lather very well and so that it can last long as well. So after that, I simply cover this with a food wrap and I'm just going to set it aside for some hours for the soaps to dissolve. Normally, I should keep this for 24 hours if you want it to totally dissolve and you would not need any serious massaging. But I left mine for just about 5 hours and here is what I got. So I have to do a lot of massaging. I am not using a mortar and pestle in this recipe. But before I massage, I'll first of all go in with my aloe vera powder. This aloe vera powder is organically made. It is the dried stems of the aloe vera containing the aloe vera gel, containing the aloe vera leaves, the oil and every single thing in the aloe vera. So it smelled really like raw aloe vera. So it's very, very rich. Make sure that you're sourcing the right aloe vera powder if you want to get all the benefits of aloe vera in the soap. So I'm going to be massaging this like this until I get all the lumps of the soap completely melted. It's going to take a while to do this. If you do not want to do this, just go ahead to use a mortar and a pestle to continue the massage. Or rather, you can just leave your soap for 24 hours and it's just going to be easy for you. So I kept massaging till I got the consistency that I wanted. See how it looked after massaging? It still have some few lumps in it, like you see when I stirred it, but that notwithstanding, they are all going to be melted by the next day after making the soap. Like I would always say, there are different methods to make your own black soap at home. And for those of you who want to know more, my ebook on black soap is currently available. I'm going to be leaving the link to purchase it down in the comment section, so you can grab a copy and level up your black soap formulation game. And also to source the raw ingredient, we've got you. We have all the ingredients available. All you have to do is contact us with your list and we're going to give you prices and make your order as swift as possible. All right, back to our soap. So here's our soap, still with some lumps, and we don't mind in as much as it's going to melt before the next day. So I'll go ahead to add my oil. Here I use aloe vera oil. Remember, we are making an aloe vera and honey soap, and making your black soap without adding any oils will make it a lot drying. That is why we had to add a moisturizing ingredient, and here I used my aloe vera oil. And then after mixing this up, I'll just go ahead to add my essential oil and preservative here. You can also go ahead to add any fragrance of your choice. So we're almost done with this soap, but we are not done yet. I'm going to show you how the soap looks the next day, but I hope that you follow this page and you give this video a thumb up. So I'll go ahead to add this soap onto my container and then I'll just cover it up and then I'll bring it back the next day so you see how it looks. The color is also going to change, and as the day goes, it's going to get darker and all the lumps are going to blend in eventually. So this soap is really mild and children can use this soap. Adults can also use this soap. This soap will glow your skin after some time. It's not going to lighten you. It's also going to heal your skin, and if your skin has been damaged before now, this soap is going to help restore your skin and restore your glow. We have so many other black soap recipe here on my YouTube channel. You can check them out to see the one that suits you and your skin. And if you're just joining us here for the first time, we have more amazing recipes waiting for you, so join this family. So we are done with this soap, and let's see how it looks the next day. Here is the next day and see how the soap looks. It looks way darker and it looks like all the lumps have disappeared. Also check out the texture and consistency. See that all the lumps are nowhere to be found. So if we had left the soap initially the next day, this was how it would have looked. So matching it or massaging it wouldn't have been a big deal. So see how my soap looks so yummy, and our aloe vera and honey black soap is ready to be used. I hope you like and share this video, and I hope to see you in another video of mine next time. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate from the depths of my heart. Until I see you in another video, take care and have a lovely day.